to another video where there's a dog in the background. Alright. Today's video gonna be pretty damn cool. I'm gonna show you guys my new wheels on the Firebird. So let's get out to the garage and I'm gonna test fit them. I don't have tires yet, so it's gonna look a little bit weird because it's just gonna look weird, I guess. But I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Smack a like down below for the new 15x8s riding two wheels. And let's go. By the way, I'm pretty weird, so I'm for some reason making popcorn at like 9 in the morning. Not breakfast, yeah, that's just stupid. So if you come right over here to a window from the kitchen, right, and then look down, and oh, damn, boy. That's like one of the coolest muscle cars from the 70s, just chilling down here. By the way guys, if you guys haven't yet, go and follow my Instagram. We are like, I don't know, 120 followers from 3,000 followers. God damn. Walter, you're tired as fuck, man. He's literally eating my flip screen right now. Stop. So as you guys might know, we're aiming for a 255 tire. So I'm gonna try to measure right now if there's gonna be room for that. It's kind of hard when we're not able to like lower the car and actually get the suspension up where it should be when you're driving the car. And yes, I could put something under the wheel so we like push it up, but I don't have anything. So we're gonna try like this. In the height and in the width of just driving straight, it's all fine. I'm mostly concerned about the sway bar and then maybe a little bit like the control arm here, if the tire, I don't know, I don't think so. So we still have like approximately like 2 to 1 inch from clearing the fender up here, like bottom out or whatever. By the way, look at all this rubber though, man, from last video. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little bit short. Come on, focus. Thank you so much. I know it was a little bit short, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. You got a kind of look of how the wheels gonna, I guess, look on the car. And then again, not really, because the wheels look awkwardly like small on the car without any tires on it. It just looked weird. And also because the car was like jacked up, the suspension was of course like hanging down, so couldn't really see how it's gonna look. So definitely looking forward to like, I don't know, it's probably gonna be Friday this week or something like that. We're gonna go and actually pick up some tires and mount them, like get them balanced, everything like that, and then put on the car. So if anybody actually want to buy these wheels too, to like, I don't know, there's your own pontiac car, whatever. It's this company called Wheel Tig where you can buy them. They got a 15x7, 8, and 10, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not quite sure. I know Summit Racing is also like deliver these wheels or whatever. That's how I got them personally here to Denmark. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and there are gonna be more awesome videos, also driving videos where it like actually like action of the car, if you want to call that. And more wrenching videos too. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye.